Is that enough?
Yeah. Okay. Look at this is their thumbprint heart for daddy. And oh, be careful, Zeke. Is this still wet? Yeah, be careful because that's still wet. Your thumbprint. You done with K?
Okay.
Yep. The next is what's next?
I.
Ay, closer ang eye ha. So mo na, si Matias ang kuan ana, you're the best dad. That's okay. Then just point on the top. That's okay.
Point.
Yep. And then E. Mo ni lang gipick na card sa Sam's. Yep, good job. Then small letter L. Or Ezekiel. Oh, be careful holding that one up. That's still wet. See? That's still wet. Good job. Good job. So, mo nilang card na napili. Ilang gipick sa Sam's Club. Tapos among gibutangan og ilahang customize nga handwritten. Gibutang nila. You're the best dad. Si Matias nag-write ani. Then mo ni sa card. Tapos gi-add on namo ang ilahang thumbprint na nila. Klarong linya-linya. Kini kang Matias. Tapos kini kang Ezekiel. Sila nagpili sa ilahang color. So yan ang among card para kay amahan para sa Father's Day. Wala pa na uga. Basa-basa. Ang ilang thumbprint na heart. So nga atubangan. So sila akong ipapiko card since not creative in making cards. So ato naman sa store, papili. Ako sila cards. Muna ilang napili. Si Billy o si Bingo. So yan ang among thumbprint heart. And then you're the best dad. You make everyday fun. Love you so much. Happy Father's Day sa among pinalanggang amahan, and Happy Father's Day to all the amazing dads out there. Oh, nagkuha ko ng cute nga pansabit sa car. Drive safe daddy, we love you. Wala lang jud nila gitarong og arrange ang mga ulo sa bata oy. Ug maunsa ra pagkakat nila sa sa picture mo ra pud oh. Pero cute man gyapon, cute kay mga palanggong. Sana og among gamay nga regalo ni amahan. Kanal na siya uban regalo. Pero kini mga cute silang na regalo. So yan. Yan.
Jiggly buff big Mario. How? By my power. In power. Oh, that's flying. Oh my god. I'm close to a dark oak vine, a spruce vine. It's deadly! Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle! Jiggle, jiggle.
Ano na si Dress Daddy? Very nice daw Ezekiel.
We love you.
Aww.
Thank you very much.
Matias nag-eating pa man. Open na niya.
So I went through the mileage chart.
Okay.
And
Kasi sa ano na, ilitan na mag-talking. So that I would use it. But I don't love if you like it. Like the one it holds your ear.
we'll see.
The new now. Because you always lost your earphone. Wait.
We go to the flea
Oh.
market Saturday and we see these exact ones for $2.
No, but that one
Maybe
should.
they'd be mad.
Yeah, but that one should be good.
Yeah.
You will like it, you think? Because that's the new one. Like it hold your ear. Let me see.
Strange. Okay.
Strange ang style.
Well, yeah.
No,
Let's put these in.
go try though your ear. How it looks like. Because he likes listening podcast. And mga chichibulers.
Okay.
Oh, that's cool. That's the one is out. Nope. Like here. If you don't like, well, return it.
It feels weird being there.
Okay. Just style. Kana bitong mura siyang aritos, guys. Because you want man all the way in your kuan.
I don't know.
Let's see sa failed Father's Day gift. I just choose this because I know you like your AirPods always done.
Okay, so it's trying to pair.
Saka yun isa guys. Charge yun. Ano siya guys pa oh.
Okay, okay.
Kana bitaw mag-exercise kini lang gamit kay para dili magbong. Ang mga running. I think it's a nice speaker lab it's kuan. Advantage one good lab, it won't pull down. Because remember the blue one we have? It's always fall. See? I could hear it's loud.
So it's the other one. The speaker is on this side.
Other side?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. Try to put it there, lab.
I want to look up on the pictures to see how they say to wire on them
Okay.
on Amazon.
Clip on wireless headset. So, mo lang kung nakita niya ka ng kuan. Bago siyang style ba nga kuan. Mura siyang arayos kay Eclipse nga. Di dali hagbong.
Take a step down.
Hey, my sausage! Yeah! Giant tank! I don't want to see it!
Matthias, you go crazy.
Reloading.
Cheese! Ezekiel, cheese ka daddy. He doesn't care.
Listen, not in the back!
Oh,
I get my yacht back!
oh gosh.
Okay.
No! I have to refill!
Okay. Hey, when I was reloading, you just kept.
When we end, now we're all empty.
Look at
Yeah, sorry about that.
drinking. 5% only.
That's like nothing.
I know.
You big baby.
And then we got Smearing up to. Oh. And daddy have different drinking. While chilling. Chilling while watching the kids. Go crazy. Collecting na si daddy. Kasunit. Like this. Oh gosh.
It's a beautiful day, my beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me that.
Thank you for watching. Gunta, magkita-kita pa kita sa sunod na higayon. God bless everyone.